What time's the bus coming?
8, 9, 10, 11, 9, 8. You're gonna die.
What?
You're gonna die from the bus, and then you're gonna get a lot of blood coming out of you.
Yeah. Well, you want me out of the street, right?
Yes.
Where is your bus? Who drives your bus?
Well, Jack. Now.
Or who did before? This is
All the other people.
Jack's the best, fastest driver. Are you happy Daddy got the waterproof camera? Huh, Simon? It's gonna be a wet one. You think it's gonna snow? Hey Simon, you think it might snow today? It's not an